Hello guys, just bought myself a new microphone for my DJI Action 5 and this is the one. It's a single microphone with no receiver or no charging box. If you take a look at this, this is very nice, eh? Typical DJI. They have a small, if I manage to reach out for it, there we go, and then you can tear this one off. It's very exciting. Then we can open the box and take a look at what's inside of it. Okay, booklet, manual, something. Plastic. Chinese guys are very happy with all this plastic. Okay, that was that. Empty plastic. Nice pouch, is it? Bag. And a zipper. And here we go. Two silent noise with noise cancelling covers. USB-C cable. And it's a small pocket there. Okay. This might be the tiniest charger I ever seen so far. Oh, look at that. That is cute, eh? And yeah, USB-C on the back side. Fantastic. Anything more in here, hopefully? Silica gel. And if I manage to grab it, the tiny MIC Mini in a single package. How nice is that? With this strong magnet. Let's see if it's working. I press on hold. Yes, it blinks green. That means it is ready to pair, I think. The bag is very nice. Has two, if I can show you this, hopefully, two pockets on this side and two small pockets on this side. Let's see if we can connect it to my DJI Action 5. Okay, it's a little slow for the first time you open it. And here we go. And I will then pull down the menu. Wireless microphones. Power on. Power on DJI OSMO audio to pair. Let's press the pairing button. Let's see what's happened. It's become blue and green, and look at that. That was easy. Press confirm, and here it is. Hello guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me still? Yes, but hopefully this is better. Fantastic. And now it has a blue light. Noise cancelling, you press the standby button and we will get a yellowish green. Press the standby button one more, noise cancelling off. That was easy, yes. And now you can see it's a green line which goes front to back, and if I turn this one off, what's happening then? There it goes. So transmitter cancelled. Okay. No green line. Okay, let's see if it's auto pairing. I press and hold. And we get the blue light again. And there we have the green line back on top here. Hello. Amazing. This is nice. Let's try the charging station. Okay, no LEDs, nothing. And then microphone is sucked in by the magnet. That is very nice. Let's see if I can show you this charging speed. 1.5 watts, 1.7. Yeah. Yeah. Looks good. And the magnet is holding it in place, as you can see. No way you can shake it off. But how do you know how many percentage it has been charged? I don't know. Let's turn it off. It's off, and then put it back in. Okay, here we can see it. Blinking. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That makes sense. Let's test how this sounds like together with the Action 5. You can see the green line. It's perfect. And if I press record, give me a second. Let's see. I have made this one. This is a nice. And here we are. Putting the microphone down inside, and then you can put on this nice cap. And I still think it will work. Yeah. Let's test. I press record. And here we go. The camera is now recording, and I am talking to the microphone through this, yeah, I don't know if it's fancy or if it's stupid, but yeah, it looks like this. I think we remove that one. If I manage to take the microphone out, let's put it on the shirt like it's supposed to be done. And here we have it. Oh. Okay, like this. Now it's of course the microphone talking to the camera, and you will look at me like this. I think it's better. And if I press turn, okay, let's test the noise cancelling because this is new to me. Press and hold this button. Oh, green, yes. And now it should be noise cancelling. Let's put this camera a little away, like over here, on the box of the DJI MINI MIC MINI. There you go. And yeah, noise cancelling is on, but this is in my living room, so probably no problem. But maybe you can hear the difference. I click one more time, and the green LED disappeared, and now noise cancelling should be off. And then we can turn the microphone off completely. Hold it, and there we go. Oh, it says on the menu, DJI OSMO transmitter 1 disconnected. So now it's the sound coming from the camera only. Yeah, it should be. I don't see any green lines. No green lines, so yeah. So this is approximately arm's length from me, and then I can reconnect it by pressing and holding the power button. And there the Bluetooth turn on, and there comes the green line. The green line is back, boys. That must mean that the camera is connected to the microphone again. So yeah, this is how it sounds. Should be interesting to hear. Okay, stop recording here. And there we go. Okay, let me know what you think about the sound. I will now take it out in the street and see how that works. Okay, we are recording. This is the DJI Action selfie stick, which is about 1.5 meters approximately. Looks like this anyway. And I just put on my shoes here, and then the microphone is on. Yes, I can see the green line. It's red even now and then. Maybe the sound is too high. Hello. No, it's okay. Let's take it outside. Oh, the raining has stopped. So Yep. This is now with, oh, maybe we should have wind muff on it. Wind muff is a good idea. Let's do that. Okay, wind muff on. And noise cancelling is off. Then let's try it outside. It's very hard to get you in the right angle here. Let's try it like this. Okay, here we go. With the selfie stick at the maximum. And we are now going against the roundabout, which you can see over here. A lot of cars. And then maybe a lot of noise. It's a little windy, but I think the wind muff should take care of that. So, okay, let's stand here and listening to the cars. I'm now standing in the roundabout, as you can see, and the microphone is still without any noise cancellation, but there are no cars coming, only electric cars, of course, and they don't make that much noise. Here we have one. Okay. That was a Toyota Avensis. I press and hold this, press and hold, just a short press, I think. I think now that the sound noise reduction is now in connected, is now on. So I don't know if you can hear any distortion and the difference. And then let's take it off. Noise cancelling off. And there's still no cars, yes? Yes, noise cancelling on. And I think, no, noise cancelling off. Okay. Noise cancelling on. There's also a tiny breeze, so I can feel it blowing over the microphone. Hopefully the wind muff take care of that. Yes, and then press noise cancelling off again or on. Now I have lost count of it, so I don't know which is which. But now, let's go inside and listen to the recording and see how that works. And again, selfie stick. Yeah, about 1 meter and 20. Oh, in the shadow, let's see. No, the noise cancelling is on, actually. And now it's off. Okay, hopefully we will hear a difference anyway, so.